mail time. Today we have a letter from Scott, and he says, "Dear Miss Obvious, I am your #1 fan." Okay, Ben. Now on to my next episode. Too fast! Hi there, I'm Miss Oblivious, and this is my assistant, Miss Obvious. And today we will be demonstrating how to walk up the stairs safely.
There are stairs everywhere in this school, so I think we're good.
Shh, I need to get onto the steps. So funny. Step 1, make sure to check the staircase is clear for you to walk up or down. Step 2, to be extra safe, place your hand on the handrail like so. Step 3, place one foot on the staircase. Step 4, place your next foot on the next step above. Step 5, use your legs to push yourself up. Step 6, repeat this process until...
Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Hold on. This is ridiculous. I'm pretty sure everyone here knows how to walk up and down stairs.
Step 6, repeat this process until you've reached
Yeah, we're still filming. Can't even walk up and down stairs. Here, let me show you. Almost there.
Step 7, to go down the stairs. You know what, I'm not going through that again. After watching my tutorial, you can now successfully climb up the stairs. What a workout.
I could do this all day.
I could too. Can someone help me? The elevator is stuck. Miss Obvious?
You know you're not meant to use the elevator, right?
Well, no one's going to know. Wait, is that microphone still on? I think this door is broken. I can't get out. Are you gonna help me or what?
Just give me a second.
Will you hurry up? It's getting hot in here and I have more